Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, August the 25th, 2023. Yes, almost weekend. And in this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letters Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a Sudoku, jigsaw Sudoku, yes, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And one with 4 stars, and one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle in Japanese, Taguzu. Taguzu, yes. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will do is a 3 Stars Sudoku number 6982. 6982. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, because this one has 29 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But if you compare, the 29 should be a 1 star for 1 star puzzle. Or actually it's a 0 star puzzle, because the 3 stars has always 25 printed digits. This one 29. For 0 star puzzle, you need to be faster than maybe 40 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. We will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then let me see. I need a 9 here, I need a 8 here, I need a 7 here. 8, come on, 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this middle row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column, so the column between set column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next on that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Okay, 3 3. Then let me see. Need a 5 here. Need an 8 here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 here. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. You see another 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the row below, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 3 in the last row, no 3 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, need an 8 here, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column, third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 178, 178, 178, 178, and look, we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, and 8 in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in the second column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1, and this big square should be here. And I believe this should be a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the third column. Alright, 7, 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the rest. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. I need a 9 here. And I need an 8 here. Okay, 5 and a 6. Need a 1. Need a 9, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in this column, no 9 in that box. So the only place left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so in that row the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. The 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next, so in that column the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Alright. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 7, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. Wait. 1 box left in this row for number 1. Okay. So we have a 1 there. Okay. 1 and a 4. 3, 8, and the 3 here. But the 8 then. I need to think. Need a 4 there, so we need a 4 here. Well, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. In this column, we need also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 4 because we have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 in this column, it should be there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers. Oh wait, 1, 5, 2. Wait. 5, 7. I need a 7 here. 5, 7, and 2. Well, I cannot feel this yet. Ay. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1 and 8. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7. Need a 2 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5, 5. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So need a 7 there, need a 7 here. Need a 8 here, and I need a 5 here. Need a 2 here also. 2, 5, 1. 2, 5, 1. Okay. 2, 8, 7. 2, 8, 7. 8. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next now only place left with 8 should be there. 4 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 8, 8. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left with a 2 should be there. 2, 2, yeah. We have a pair, the 2 and the 4 in the third row, the 2 and the 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left with the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. The only place left with 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and 8, we have an 8 now in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.